and today I'll teach you how to solve a Rubik Cube. Beeply bobbly boom. Hooray! There's a Rubik Cube right in front of us. The daisy part of the Rubik Cube. You just need to put white parts here, 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 and here. For example, you could do twist right here, you see one in the middle, and then twist right here. See, I already found one. Let's beat things up. Beeply bobbly boom. Now you see we have the daisy, the white daisy. It's fine if some white corners get into the corners because it's like fine because you don't really need to care about right now. But if you did it, good job. The second part is you have to line up one part of the daisy like this one. See, orange and orange, the same as the middle. Now you flip it 2 times until it gets to the bottom, right, like this one right here. When you're done, it'll create something like the white X. Let's speed things up even more. Beeply bobbly boom. Here, you see I have the white X. It's not too difficult though, if you remember all the steps. Great job! Now, let's go for the second step. Flip the cube over and find pieces like this one right here. If you find one, that's pretty good. You see one right here. The corner piece beside it has to line up with the piece in the middle. And then, if it's beside it right here, like if you turn it right here facing it, it's in front. So you do the left-hand algorithm, which is up, you twist it up, then you twist it sideways, then you move down. See? I already moved one down here, so now there's 2 in this row. And plus, there's 2 blue ones right here. Great job! Let's speed things up. Beeply bobbly boom. Here you see the white colored base is fully filled. So that means we don't need to do anything to it anymore. And now you see, if I flip it over, right here it looks like a tiny T. It looks like it on every side. Even though there's some at the corners like this one, you don't need to care about it. It's totally fine. The next part is you gotta find a piece on the top and on the side, like this one, that has no yellow. If you find one, great. You see this one, right? It's orange on the side, so you moved to the orange centerpiece. And then, if the green is right beside the orange this side, you twist the opposite side and do the left-hand algorithm. And you do the right-hand algorithm to get the white piece back. Look, you completed one side of green and orange. Great job! Let's fasten this thing up. Beeply bobbly boom. Here is our finished part of our Rubik Cube. You see, this side, there's this part filled, this part filled, this part filled, and this part filled. You don't need to worry about the top right now. We'll fix that later. Right now, you'll look at the top. Right now on the yellow. Near the yellow middle, there may be up here the almost daisy, the almost yellow daisy, that will kind of look like the yellow cross. But except it's not a yellow cross. There's still 2 pieces missing. Or you'll have a line. If you have a line, you'll have to hold yours up like this. Or you have a dot. If you have a dot, you can hold it whatever way you want. But in all ways, You have to hold it the correct position and do the same thing. The thing you have to do is slide up this way and slide up this one, and then do the right hand algorithm. See, there's a line. Let's get this to a cross. Beep, beep, blah, beep, boop. Here is our yellow cross. We did it finally. Hope that wasn't too difficult for you. Now we have to figure out which corners are correct and which corners aren't correct. If the corners aren't correct, we need to swap them. Like these two corners. These two corners are correct. Green, orange, yellow. Green, orange, yellow. So this one's correct. Green, red, yellow. Green, red, yellow. This one's also correct. How about this one? Blue, orange, red. Blue, orange, yellow. Blue, red, yellow. This one's incorrect. Blue, red, yellow. Blue, orange, yellow. This one's also incorrect. So these two are correct, while these two need a swap. To swap it, you do the right-hand algorithm 3 times, turn until it's facing the back, do the left-hand algorithm 3 times, and then when you're finished, you twist it to the right part, and you'll see the whole thing is correct. Let's get into that part. Beeply bapply boo. Here is our part that's finished. Look here. Blue, orange, yellow. Blue, orange, yellow. It's correct, and everything is correct too. Let's start by getting these 2 yellow pieces up to the top so it will be a totally finished yellow piece. Let's start. And here is a yellow piece. You just need to do the right-hand algorithm until it moves down. And then you twist to this piece. You just need to do the right-hand algorithm too before it moves down, and then you're completely finished that part. Let's start it. Beeply bapply boo. If one piece, like this one, is fully correct, then you face it to the back of you, and you could do it again. Yay, we're fully finished. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe.